One of the recipes I make during cold weather is pepper soup, and today I'll be teaching you how to make assorted meat pepper soup. Stay tuned to the end to know how this is prepared. Hey, this is Dekas and you're welcome to my channel. The major ingredients in this soup is the meat, of course. I'm using different parts of meat: the tripe, the livers, intestines, and beef, of course. You could adjust to any meat you want. So in this meat, you add seasoning cubes, salt to taste, and some of your Scotch bonnet pepper. You will be adding also later again in this soup. Then mixing everything very well. You also add onions for that extra flavor. Mix well, then cover up the pot. We're not going to add extra water now. We're going to allow the water in the meat to cook. If need be, always adjust the water bit by bit till you cook your meat and it's very, very tender. When the meat is ready and very soft, you're going to add more water to the pot, add seasoning cubes, then you add the pepper soup spices. You could get the natural one, but I had to get the sachet one because I didn't see the natural blended one. Then we're going to also add in Scotch bonnet peppers and crayfish for that extra taste and flavor. And then we test for salt. I love adding my salt pinch by pinch so that I don't cook salty food. If everything is in the right proportion, cover up your pot. Cook some more till the spices enters very well into your soup. Then wash and slice your scent leaves and then add it back to this pepper soup. Cook like 1 minute more to allow this local spices to enter the soup very well, and your pepper soup is so ready to be enjoyed. Very simple recipe to make, very easy. It's something you could make in your place. If you don't have scent leaves where you live, you could always substitute with parsley. I don't know the other spices you could substitute with, but just make sure you put a sliced natural spices to this. I want to send hugs and kisses to Sharon in Australia. Thank you so much for loving our recipes. We really appreciate. Thank you everyone for always engaging. Thank you so much. Please guys, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.